Mr. Sheikh Shakil Ahmed, advocate, the PI champion and RTA activist, for this wonderful involvement him followed in all schools. Even if we are doing it, what more we need to do it. That will only happen, if at all it is properly implemented and goes to the classroom. And to take these things into, we'll be having, but few days back with the CBSE chairman, 2 days back only.
मशकूर हूँ मैं हरप्रीत जी का, मुझे मौका देते हैं कि पढ़े लिखे लोगों के बीच में उनके ख्यालात सुनने में। मैं अभी जब डॉक्टर साहब के ख्यालात सुने तो मैं यही बैठ के सोच रहा था कि कितने लर्नड इंसान, एकेडमिशियन
करता है, वही संसार को बदलता है, वही संसार को बदलता है जिसने रातों में है जंग जीती, सुबह सूर्य बनकर वही चमकता है. And many of my colleagues used to ask, how could it in your curriculum? Because there's no time.
But in the entire world, I pledge to reduce my carbon footprints.
Respected luminaries of the education sector, going after such a wonderful wordsmith as advocate Sheikh Shakil Ahmed Sahab is not how I plan to do this evening, because I don't think anything can go as tall in order as speaking after a lawyer. Biography, Dr. Kunal was very kind to speak my biography earlier this evening. But he left out one very important thing. To tell my manager, I said, they want someone American, I can't help you with that. I went to the University of California because we travel on hills all the time. But he huffed in that his cable box was not plugged in. Generation of people. I am not primed with technology from the day they take 3, and the children have developed is very short. They cannot concentrate. And in the past few months, I have had the privilege to go to Rana Saab's constituency.
Join us, sir. Please, sir.
Students as well as teachers, and last year we had 3 Tithi Boj conducted for various
for academic learning, but are also incubators for responsible citizenship and sustainable practice.
Come on, educators, we are here to help each other grow. Next in this will be Dr. M.K. Bhan. Please join us on the stage.
तो एक मिनट के बाद अनाउंसमेंट होती है, अगला स्टेशन ये है, दरवाजे दाईं तरफ खुलेंगे, बाईं तरफ खुलेंगे. If really we will follow this SDGs, तो एक दिन आपके कान में डेफिनेटली ये आवाज़ आएगी, अगला स्टेशन कामयाबी का है, दरवाजे आपकी तरफ खुलेंगे. अगला स्टेशन खुशी का है, कामयाबी के दरवाजे आपकी तरफ खुलेंगे. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Mr. Vivek Arora, please join us on the stage for the honors, please. Who will be taking the honors? Shwetambari Sharma, I correct that, it's Shwetambari Sharma, would be collecting the award for international. JNK, we require Lokesh Kumar sir to join us on this. Follow would be Jamyaima, Principal J. Mr. Sanskriti Jammu to collect stage and take the honors. Please welcome on stage Harman Camera School, Jammu and Kashmir, Ms. Shabun Chaudhary to please come on the stage and take the honors. Harman Minor, I correct myself. Okay, thank you. Next to welcome on stage will be Sapling International. Sony to please come on the stage and take the honors. Saplings International School, Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu. Mr. Ajit Singh Soni, please take the honors. Public School, Jammu and Kashmir, Ms. Randeep Kaur, please join us on the stage to take the honors. Next to receive. I'm sorry, sir. Must be an apology. So we can have somebody from the school to please join us.
क्या क्या नॉलेज इस समय हमारे बच्चों को जो मिलनी चाहिए जो अभी तक शायद नहीं मिल पाई है उनको?
देखिए, आज का जो प्रोग्राम था ये जम्मू में एक अपनी किस्म का एक पहला प्रोग्राम मुझे नज़र आया, जिसमें सस्टेनेबल जो गोल्स हैं उनके ऊपर बात हुई है, क्वालिटी एजुकेशन के ऊपर बात हुई है, और सबसे बड़ी बात कि जो इसमें स्टेक होल्डर्स, ख़ास तौर पर मैं कहूँगा कि जो बाहर से हमारे मेहमान आए हुए थे, और ख़ास तौर पर CBSE ने जो गोल्स सेट किए हुए हैं उसके मतलब जो यहाँ पे बात हुई। फिर उसके अलावा हमारे जितने भी CBSE के हमारे जम्मू रीजन में जितने भी, और ख़ास तौर पर जम्मू के इन एंड अराउंड जितने भी अच्छे स्कूल्स हैं, उनकी फैकल्टी और उनके प्रिंसिपल्स यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं, और यहाँ पे यही बात डिस्कस हुई कि किस तरीके से क्वालिटी एजुकेशन जो है वो बच्चों तक पहुँचाई जाए, और ख़ास तौर पर पोस्ट कोविड के बाद जब हमारे बच्चे किताबों से दूर हो गए, तो उन बच्चों को किस तरीके से किताबों में वापस लाया जाए, उन बच्चों को किस तरीके से सोशल मीडिया से, मोबाइल से किस तरीके से उनकी अटेंशन कम की जाए और तालीम की तरफ उनको लाया जाए, और जो यूनाइटेड नेशंस का ये जो सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स हैं उनकी तरफ उन बच्चों का ध्यान किस तरह किया जाए, इसके ऊपर एक अच्छी खासी आज डिबेट हुई है। तो मुझे बड़ी खुशी है इस बात की कि इस वैल्यूएबल इंटरेक्शन में मुझे भी मौका मिला बात रखने का, और मैंने भी यही कोशिश की बात करने की कि नो डाउट हमारे जो शहर हैं जहाँ पे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, जहाँ पे अच्छे स्कूल्स हैं, तो मैंने यही कोशिश की बात बताने की कि हमारे जो मुफस्सल एरिया हैं, जो हमारे पेरिफेरल एरियाज़ हैं, जहाँ पे बच्चों को 8-8, 10-10 किलोमीटर सफ़र तय करके स्कूलों में पहुँचना है, जो इन तमाम चीज़ों से वंचित हैं, उन तक भी ये जो गोल्स हैं वो किस तरह पहुँचे, उसके ऊपर बात की गई। क्योंकि जब भी हम बात करते हैं तो वो जो एक टारगेट एरिया है वो भी हमारे अपने बच्चे हैं जो दूर दराज इलाकों में, वहाँ तक ये चीज़ें, वहाँ तक ये कैसे कंसेप्ट पहुँच पाएँ, उसके ऊपर बात की गई।
It is an honor to be part of the Education Leadership Conclave today held at Radisson, and to learn about the Sustainable Development Goals and how the various prestigious schools of Jammu are taking this forward. And it was an honor to learn from all the respected principals and all the education sector leaders on how Jammu and Kashmir is being primed to take on the challenge of educating this new generation of students, and how to develop them in a way that they are strengthened to take on the challenges that technology provides them. And I'm very, very confident that under the new National Education Policy 2020, we will be able to not only help our children thrive, but also to have a successful future in all aspects of life and society, and especially with a concentration on STEM education, which is the theme of this year. I wish all the good luck to all the principals of Jammu and across Jammu and Kashmir, and hope to see new and the brighter generation of India emerging from Jammu and Kashmir. Thank you.
मैं डॉक्टर प्रियदर्शी नायक सेंटर फॉर एजुकेशन डेवलपमेंट फाउंडेशन नोएडा की तरफ से आज सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स के ऊपर में जो चर्चा हो रही है उसी के उपलक्ष्य में ये प्रोग्राम है। हमने जम्मू सहोदया स्कूल कॉम्प्लेक्स के साथ मिलके ये सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट हर स्कूल में पहुँचे और हर स्कूल में ये एक्टिविटीज़ हो, क्योंकि हमारा जो मिशन है 2030 तक सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स हर जगह हर स्कूल में पहुँचे, उसके तत्परत आज बहुत सारे डिस्कशन सेमिनार्स वगैरह हुए हैं। आज हमारे अतिथि जो मुख्य अतिथि भी आए हैं उसके ऊपर में भी फोकस किया है, और हम चाहते हैं कि ये जो गोल्स हैं इस गोल्स को हर स्कूल तक सही तरीके से पहुँचे और इम्प्लीमेंट हो, उसी में चर्चा चल रही है।
Blissful greetings everyone. I am Dr. Vikesh Kaur, President Jammu Sahodaya Schools Complex and Principal Doon International School Jammu. So today we had a wonderful conclave of all the principals of CBSE schools of Jammu. It was a collaborative program with Bharat Olympiad Foundation and CED Foundation under the patronage of Dr. Priyadarshi Nayak. So basically this conclave was about the 17 SDGs, which are really imperative to be implemented through our curriculum or maybe other activities in various schools of CBSE, because the target is 2030, and as per United Nations, we all need to implement these SDGs in our schools so that our future generations are safe and secure. It was really a great pondering over these 17 SDGs by different principals. They were different speakers. Of course, I'm thankful to Dr. Priyadarshi Naik, who awarded many of our schools who have really done great wonders for implementing these SDGs in their schools. And it was all over a conclave full of a lot of intelligentsia of Jammu and Kashmir. And we all enjoyed the evening. And we all need to work on all these things. I think Jammu Sahodaya has collaborated with Bharat Olympiad Foundation and CED for implementing these SDGs, which are imperative by the CBSE as well as it is the need of the hour. Thank you so much. God bless.
My name is Dr. Kunal Anand. I am Principal, Delhi Public School, Udhampur, and I am the convener for today's conference. Basically, this function was perceived on the SDG goals, the 17 SDG goals, and all the Jammu region principals were invited to come and talk in this particular conclave, where they could have come and spoken about the best practices and the use that they are doing their SDG goals in the school. This was organized by Center for Education Development and Bharat Olympiad Foundation, and the idea behind was to basically make people understand what is the importance of SDG and how we can integrate SDG in our regular curriculum in our schools. Almost 32 schools from Jammu region participated, like from Udhampur, from Riyasi, Aknoor, Kathua and Jammu, of course. And we had a very amazing evening where we had the dignitaries coming in. Ms. Divyani was the chief guest and she spoke upon the SDG goal, and Mr. Shakil Saab was the keynote speaker, and Dr. Nayak, he's come all the way from Orissa to be a part of this particular program. And this whole program was supported by Jammu Sahodaya Schools Complex under the presidentship of our revered President, Dr. Vikesh Kaur, Principal, Doon International School. And very beautifully presented this whole evening, where people learned about these goals. Some people were doing it but were not sure about it. And overall, it was a very interesting program. An amazing program output had come, and I wish that we'll be able to achieve the 2030 goal of 17 sustainable goals to be achieved in our schools, in our society, in our city. And I thank CED Foundation and WAF Foundation and Dr. Priyadarshi Nayak for this amazing initiative in Jammu.